For this video, I'm continuing off of Network Performance Monitor setup, and this one's going to be about virtual machine configuration. So the Network Performance Monitor sends out synthetic transactions to our virtual machines that we created that are into two different subnets, and it does so through the inbound ports of the VMs, and by default the port number is 8084. So the first step we have to do is go to our virtual machines and open up that inbound port for our virtual machines in the network security group. So it's 8084, and since I have a network security group for each of them instead of having one for both of them, we're going to do this for both virtual machines. But after that, we're going to have to run a PowerShell script, and it'll be run for both VMs. And one thing we'll do is open up port 8084 on the firewall, and I'll also do some other jobs that's required by Network Performance Monitor. So let me show you the PowerShell script first, actually. What is it called? Network Performance Monitor enable rules. So I got this from Azure Docs PowerShell samples in GitHub. But anyway, you could see the default port is 8084. So I'm gonna convert this raw and copy it all, and then let's go actually just to the first network VM and connect to it, and I'll come back when I'm connected to it. But basically I'm gonna save the raw as a notepad, and then I'm going to make it a PowerShell script. Make it a PowerShell script, and then I'm gonna run it in PowerShell in the actual server. So I'll come back when it's ready. So I'm saving it in a D drive as mpw.ps1, and this is raw data that I pasted into it. Now I'm gonna run PowerShell. No, not IC. Okay, forget that. And if you look, change it to D drive, then you look at the directory, and here is mpw.ps1. So, and I'm running it now. Oh, whoops. I forgot to do // and it even says it here. If you trust this command, do it here. mpw.ps1. Alright, so that's just to begin enabling it out of Network Performance Monitor. And so now let's go to networking and add the inbound port rule. So source is fine, but destination I'll do IP address, and just put in this one. And I want 8084, and it's TCP protocol. Priority is fine, make sure it's allow. Change the name, add. So now I'm going to do the same exact thing, but for VM2 I'm going to install, add that PowerShell file, and then run it in PowerShell on it, and then add the inbound port rule for 8084. So I'll come back after I've done all that. So I did that. I went and made the changes to VM2, and I'm going to end the video here. And so this has been Network Performance Monitor VM configuration.